diving underneath this bridge in Florida. Let's see what we can find. I'm back at the bridge, still searching for sharks and maybe even some more manatees, but today's conditions were a little different. Of course, the first thing I did was dive straight to the bottom to see what was waiting for me today while still keeping an eye out for sharks. It was a bit harder this time because I forgot my weight belt, and on top of that, the water was a lot hazier today since we didn't come at high tide. It was also the weekend, which means tons of boat traffic, but don't worry, I only dive on the side where boats can't go. Right away, I ran into tons of snook hanging around the pillars as always. I swear they probably recognized me at this point. Then I found these huge starfish all over the place. Which one of you guys is Patrick? I kept weaving between the bridge pillars very carefully because even the smallest bump left me bleeding a lot, and I really didn't want to repeat that. The longer I dove, the hazier it got, but I don't stop diving until I see enough cool stuff. That's when I spotted something weird at the bottom and decided to check it out. I found my first empty conch, but it does have some like barnacles and stuff living on it. And I think if anything's living on it, you can't take it, so I'm gonna put it back. After that, I moved to the shallows because maybe the manatees would actually show up while I was in the water this time. Before I could even get close to this shell, this little fish started guarding it. Then I ran into this shy little crab who clearly did not want to be on camera today, but if you look closely in the background, do you recognize those two? It's the jackknife fish and banded coral shrimp from yesterday. They're still together. I was just about to get out when something massive caught my eye. I saw a huge shadow moving in the distance near the pillars, and even though the water was extremely hazy at this point, I had to check it out. I slowly and calmly dove all the way down to the bottom, and that's when I saw it. It was a huge southern stingray just chilling by all the snook. Still no sharks today, but don't worry, I'm not stopping until I find some, so follow along to see when I do.